sponge cake! Today I'm going to be trying out Douyin makeup for the very first time. For those of you who don't know, Douyin makeup is inspired by the aesthetic that you often see on the app with its namesake, Douyin, or what people like to call Chinese TikTok. From what I've seen, it's characterized by pale skin, reddened eyes that kind of look like you've been crying, blushy cheeks, and soft red lips. Now, it's quite obvious that I'm nowhere near pale, but I thought it would be kind of interesting to see how it plays out with my skin tone and share with you guys. I'm also trying to venture out more and get out of my comfort zone with makeup, and Douyin seemed like a cool next step. So without further ado, let's get started. For my Douyin look, I'll be following a combination of Sham Hae's Cherry Bomb Korean Douyin makeup tutorial and Heenie's Crying Fairy style makeup, both linked in the description. I'm starting out with my usual Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and to blend it I'm using my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray because my friend Ray taught me to do this once and I haven't changed it since. I'm making sure to go over my lips while blending to create my own version of a pale canvas. Take from that what you will. And I'm technically supposed to blend some on my neck and ears too, but I skipped that because I'm kinda lazy. Next, I moved on to my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, applying it slightly differently by focusing on my cheekbones more than under my eyes. I ran out of my favorite Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, so I just settled for this random Beauty Supply brand lip liner thinking it was a dark brown, but it turned out to be a huge mistake as it was practically red. You'll see later that I replaced it with black eyeshadow from this palette I got from Amazon. Next, I used my True Complexion contour palette to draw in my aegyo-sal, which I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. And then I used the same palette to contour my nose just beside and below my nose button, then blended. This wasn't part of either tutorial, but I added in some Estate highlighter to the ridge of my nose in a sort of knee-jerk effort to balance out the contour. Next, I added some pink eyeshadow to my eyelids and just under my eyes, which you could just barely see on my skin tone, followed by some Estate highlight to the middle of each eyelid and below each eye. I went in and added just straight up red eyeshadow to give off that red eye effect a lot better. And for the fairy portion of this look, I went in and added some ColourPop Glitterily Obsessed glitter around and in the center of my eyes. Next, I drew on some NYX Epic Ink Liner, small and pointed upward. And then put on some Amazon lashes, which kind of fought me for a while, but they managed to stay on. Then I went over them with some Essence mascara. Next, I added red eyeshadow just under and on both sides of my nose button. Eyeshadow, not blush, because the peach blush just didn't pop enough on my skin tone. Then I added just a smudge of my Estate highlight to my nose button and the top of my nose ridge. I added some blush to my cheeks, starting higher than my cheekbones to give the crying look. Then added some red eyeshadow and blended to make sure the redness was there. Next, I stained my lips with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Red Lipstick, going over them layer by layer and blending it out at the edges of my lips and adding some gloss for a bit of shine. Then I stained my cheeks with just a teeny bit of that lipstick too. I darkened my beauty mark and gave it a sister on my other cheek for a little detail and popped on my wig since I figured you can't fail with black hair and bangs with a Douyin makeup look. I have to say I went in with very low expectations on how this look would turn out, especially on my skin tone, but I ended up really loving it. I think improvising as I went along to cater to my own features and taking stuff I like while leaving out what I don't like from more than one tutorial really helped me create a look that I like and is suited for myself. And voila! Here is my Douyin look. I'm really glad that I'm venturing out more with makeup because it used to be so daunting to me, but times like this I think, maybe this isn't so bad after all. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of my Douyin makeup look in the comments below. Do you think I nailed it or completely missed the mark? What do you think I could have done better? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And as always, love you guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.